Good morning, students. In a previous class we have learned about the direct variation. Okay, variation means change in one quantity brings about change into the another one of the quantity is called the variation. And direct, it has two types. In our last class we have learned only direct variation, is it? So direct variation means if we have considered two quantity, is one quantity is changed in the same ratio, the another one of the quantity also change in the same ratio is called the direct variation. Okay, so I hope you are understood the previous concept. Today we are going to do the exercise problem. Later exercise problems, exercise 7.1. So first check if x and y vary directly in the following. So two boxes are given. So check the given variation is direct variation or inverse variation. You have to find out and write the result. Okay. And second one, find the value of the missing numbers. That's also a homework. So first and second homework. Now move to the third problem. Third one, two variables. X and y vary directly with each other. When x is 15, y is 3 by 5. Find the x and y is 8. Find x when y is 18. Okay. So two variables we have considered, x and y. Okay. Solution. Two variables, so x, y. Okay, in a direct variation, directly given with each other is given. So when x is 15, y is 3 by 5. Then find x we have to find out when y is 18. So write in the direct variation. So 15 by 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 equal to x by 18. So it write in the reciprocal. So 15 into 5 by 3 is equal to x by 18. 6 are. Now multiply. 15 5s are 75 into 6 equal to x. Now multiply these values. 33, 6 7s are 42, 45. So x equal to 450. The value of x is equal to 450. Okay. And next one, fourth problem. Radhika bought 50 notebooks for rupees 390. So 50 notebook cost is rupees 390. Find the cost of 8 such a books. 8 such a books. So अपने 8 books के एवलेवन केटिருக்காங்க. Here write x and y is a direct variation. You should write. Okay, right. And here number of notebooks and cost. Okay, so 15 notebooks rupees 390, cost in rupees. Okay, and then 8 such notebooks. Find the cost of 8 such a notebooks. So decreased. So number of nodes are decreasing, so should the cost value also decreased, the cost value also decrease. Okay, have consider x. Since number of notebooks are decrease, then cost of notebook also decrease. It is a direct variation. It is a direct variation. So direct variation, what is the formula? X by y equal to k constant. K constant. So 15 by 8 is equal to 390 by x. Okay, cross multiply. You cancel in 3 table. So 3 5s are here 1 3 0. 5 table 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30. So 26 into 8 is equal to x. So 26 it's 48, 8 2s are 16, is it? 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20. So answer for this problem 208. So how many rupees? Rupees 208. For number the 4 heads, the cost of Yates books is rupees 208. And next one, a bus travel at the speed of 54 km per hour. Find the distance it will cover in 10 minutes. It will cover in 10 minutes. Fifth one, a bus traveled a speed of, what we find out the distance. So let x be the distance, okay, in the 10 minutes. So draw the table. Speed kilometer per hour, okay, and next one, time in hours. Okay, so a bus travel at the speed of 54 km per hour, okay, per hour. So 1 hour to 54 km போகுது. Find the distance it will cover in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes means, so here hours is given. So you have to write out of 60 minutes is 10. Why do you divide it by put 60? Because here written in the hours. ஒன்று இதை மாற்றுங்க, இல்லைன்னா இதை என்னத்துக்கு மாற்றிடுங்க, மினிட்ஸ்க்கு மாற்றிடுங்க. ஓகேவா? மினிட்ஸ் மாதிரி இதில் 16 போடணும், அவ்வளோதான். எப்படின்னா எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ரைட். 54 we have find out the speed, a distance. Okay. Here time is degrees. Is it 60 minutes then 10 minutes என்னாச்சு குறைஞ்சிச்சு கண்டிப்பாக distance என்ன செய்யும் speed also reduced. Find the distance. Then distance speed is decreased. Also decreased. It is a direct variation. So x by y is equal to k constant. So 54 by x equal to 1 by 10 by 60. So 54 by x is equal to 60 by 10. Okay. And 6 9s are 54. So x go to here. So 9. So distance. Thus the bus covered the distance is 9 kilometer per hour. 9 kilometer per hour. Right. And now see the sixth problem. A worker gets rupees 560 for 5 days of work. Find the number of days he has to work if want to get rupees 5040. So a worker gets 5 days ku 560 rupees என்ன செய்றாங்கம்மா வாங்குறாங்க. Find the number of days கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் எவ்வளோ வாங்குறதுக்கு 5040 rupees வாங்கினா அவங்க எவ்வளோ நாள் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே. Next one, sixth problem. Okay. Solution. A worker gets 560 for 5 days. Is it? What we find out? Let x be the number of days. Number of what we find out that we have considered x. Okay, the number of days. Number of days, and then a worker gets 560 rupees for 5 days. Number of days. Okay. Cost rupees. So how many days? 5 days, 560 rupees, and then they didn't know the number of days, and then 5040 rupees. Here the cost is increased. Then the number of days also increased. Okay, number of days also increased. It is direct variation. Direct variation. Okay, now simplify. X by 5 by x is equal to 560 by 40. It cancel in 5 table. 1, 2. This is all cancel in the 2 table, is it? 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are here, 2 5s are, sorry, 2 table only, is it? 2 2s are 4 and 1, 2 5s are 10, 2s are, right, again 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 0. Again 2 table, 14, 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 60, 6 30. Okay, so 14 by 630 is equal to 1 by x. So cross multiply. 14x is equal to 630. 7 table. 2 7s are 14. 9s are, so 245. So x equal to 45 days. So how many days? 45 days. Thus 45 days he has to work, then he would get rupees 5040. Right? And 7th one, Nikita can type 1080 words in 6 minutes. How many words can she type in 8 minutes? So Nikita can type 1080 words in 6 minutes. 6 minutes ke 1080 words type பண்றாங்க அப்படினா how many words can she type in 8 minutes? அப்படினா 8 minutes க்கு எவ்வளவு டைப் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது தான் क्वेश्चन. ஓகே, 7th one. So let x be the words. Okay, right, draw the table. Number of words and then minutes. Hundred and 80 words, 6 minutes, and then how many words we didn't know. So let's take x. She types in 8 minutes. Here minutes is increased. Minutes is increased. Therefore, then number of words also increased. It is a direct variation. Direct variation. That is x by y is equal to k constant. Right. So 1080 by x equal to 6 by 8. Cancelling 2 table 4. So cross multiply 180 into 4 is equal to 3x. Okay, multiply 0, 8 4s are 32, 4. Or divided by 3 equal to x. Okay, it cancels in 3 table. 3 1s are remaining 1. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So 1440 volts. Thus, Nikita can type 1440 words in 8 minutes. Okay, and 8th and 9th problem you will do the homework ma. Okay, now see the 10th problem. The length of the shadow of a 120 centimeter high pole is 102 centimeter. 102 centimeter. Find the length of the shadow of 360 centimeter high pole and height of the pole that has a shadow of 229. The same method already explained in the example. Okay, so 10th also homework. And next also the same method. Okay, I will do the 11th problem. So 8, 9, 10. Okay, homework. Okay, 11th problem. The scale of a map is 30 lakhs is given. Okay, 30 lakhs is given. If the distance between two cities on the map is 4.5 centimeter, then what is the actual distance between them? Then have find out the actual distance. So let x be the actual distance. Okay, draw the table. Distance on map. Distance on map x. Okay, and actual distance. Actual distance. Okay, y. We need to take like this, distance on a map and actual distance we have considered. Okay, so map is 1, actual distance is 3 lakh, and next one, the distance is given, you have to find out the actual distance. Okay, so actual distance you have considered bx, and then the 4.5 centimeter is given. 4.5 centimeter is given. Here distance on map is increased. Okay, then actual distance also increased it is a direct variation. So x by y is equal to k constant. Okay. So 1 by 3 30 lakh is given. Yes, 30 lakh is equal to 4.5 by x. So just cross multiply 4.5 into 30 lakh. So multiply this value, what we get? 45 3s are 15 12 13 1. So 5. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 6 zeros added. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. How many decimal point? 1. Okay. So what is the answer? 1 crore 35 lakhs. 1 crore 35 lakhs is the answer. Thus, the actual distance is thus the actual distance is 1 crore 35 lakhs. Homer exercise 7.1 1 2 8 9 10. Okay, everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask the doubt to me. Thank you, students.